Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can open a Wise account in any kind of devices. If you have PC or phone, it doesn't matter. This method will work for you. So, first of all, if you have any device like phone, you need to go to your app store and download Wise application. If not, if you are using your PC, basically it's simply going to a browser that you have on your PC. For me, for example, I will be using Google Chrome. Here I'm going to type is Wise. So let's type Wise, and here I click, and here is the page. Now what you have to do basically is go to register. Here you put your email. So let's try, for example, putting something like and here you choose whether you want it to be a personal account or a business account. So let's choose the personal account. Here you put your primary residence. So for example, here we put whatever it is. So let's choose, for example, that, and click on continue. Now after you receive this, you have to put your phone number. So you put here your phone number, they send you the verification code, you write it, and right after that you will pass to the password thing. So you put then your password, sorry guys, so you put there your password, and basically just after that you will be able to create your Wise account. So now let's talk about Wise account and what does it help you with. It's help you basically with transferring from a currency. For example, you have money in PayPal and you don't know how you can actually get it out. Basically you can transfer them to Wise, and this Wise will basically transfer the amount that you have into your own currency and giving it cash to you. So yeah guys, that was it, and that's how you can actually open your Wise account. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.